Hello, in today's session we will learn properties of haloarenes. There are two types of properties of haloarenes, type A physical properties and type B chemical properties. In physical properties, first point is physical state. You are already knowing haloarenes are generally liquid at room temperature. Some higher haloarenes are solid also. Second point is boiling point. Boiling point of haloarene is less compared to water. This is due to the fact that boiling point increases with increase in molecular mass. So boiling point of fluoroarene is least and iodoarene is highest. Next is solubility. Solubility of haloarene is very less. This is due to lack of hydrogen bonding. And fourth point is density. Density of haloarene increases with increase in molecular mass. Thank you. Hello, in today's session we will discuss properties of haloarenes. Type B chemical properties. First point is nucleophilic substitution reaction, then reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. See here, reactivity of haloarene towards nucleophilic substitution reaction is less compared to haloalkane due to resonance structure and sp2 hybridization. In haloalkanes, sp3 hybridization is present, and in haloarenes sp2 hybridization is present. It is resonance of following structures. Structure 1, this is structure 1, haloarene. Here one pair of electron comes to this place and this double bond breaks and one pair of electron comes to ortho position like this. In second step, this lone pair of electron comes to this place and this double bond breaks and comes at para position and forms structure 3. Here it is halogen positively charged, double bond, one pair of electron, here it is double bond, this is structure 3. Then this lone pair comes to this place and this becomes double bond, this double bond breaks and comes to this place. Then structure 4 is formed. Here it is double bond, here it is double bond, one pair of electrons, double bond X and positively charged. One more, this lone pair comes to this place and this double bond comes back to original place like this. One pair, two pair, three pair, double bond, here double bond and here double bond. The main difference in structure first and structure 5 is, in structure first this bond is double, this is single, this is double, this is single, this is double, this is single, but in step 5th, single, double, single, double, single and double. So these are the resonance structure of haloarene. See here, replacement by OH group oblique formation of phenol. When chlorobenzene is treated with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and high pressure 200 atm, the product is phenol. This is nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the presence of electron withdrawing group like nitro, substitution becomes faster. Example, if NO2 group is here, then temperature reduces. Here it is 623 Kelvin and in this step 443 Kelvin. Its name is 4-nitrophenol. Similarly, if two nitro groups are there, then substitution is more faster. If 3 nitro groups are there, then substitution becomes faster and temperature is at room temperature.